Right, amid rising concerns over Donald Trump's steep tariff hike on Indian exports, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that India would never compromise on the interests of its farmers, even if it means facing economic consequences. Speaking at the MS Swaminathan Centenary International Conference in Delhi, PM Narendra Modi said, and I quote, "For us, the interest of our farmers is our top priority. India will never compromise on the interests of farmers, fishermen and dairy farmers. I know we will have to pay a heavy price for it and I am ready for it. India is ready for it." Now his comments come against the backdrop of the US President announcing a further increase in the US tariff on Indian goods, including agricultural products, and taking it up 50%. Trump has once again slapped India with additional 25% tariffs on the back of India's Russian oil purchase. PM Modi reaffirms that he is not ready to compromise on the interest of its own farmers and willing to pay the price to protect them. Listen in to what he said.
As you know, we put a 50% tariff on India on oil. They're the second largest. They're very close to China in terms of the purchase of oil from Russia. But so I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but we've had very productive talks. You're going to see a lot more. You're going to see so much secondary sanctions.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं।